Hi, welcome. Today I will give you an overview of some of the most popular cryptocurrencies and their potential benefits and risks. On number 1 is Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, with a current market capitalization of over $1 trillion. It operates on a decentralized network, meaning that transactions can be processed without the need for intermediaries such as banks. Bitcoin's value is derived from its limited supply. Only 21 million bitcoins will ever be created, and its growing adoption by businesses and investors. One of the main advantages of Bitcoin is its liquidity, as it can be bought and sold on a wide range of exchanges. However, it is also highly volatile and subject to large price swings in response to news events and market sentiment. Additionally, Bitcoin's transaction fees can be relatively high during times of high network congestion. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and it operates on a decentralized network that enables the creation and execution of smart contracts. These contracts are self-executing and can be used for a wide range of purposes, from creating decentralized applications, DApps, to facilitating complex financial transactions. One of the main advantages of Ethereum is its flexibility, as it can be used to create a wide range of custom tokens and DApps. Additionally, its community is highly active and innovative, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible on the Ethereum network. However, Ethereum also faces scaling challenges and can be subject to high transaction fees during times of network congestion. Binance Coin is the third largest and token of the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, which is considered large and popular exchange globally. It can be used to pay for trading fees on the exchange, as well as to participate in Binance's various decentralized finance, DeFi initiatives. One of the main advantages of Binance Coin is its utility, as it can be used for a wide range of purposes within the Binance ecosystem. Additionally, Binance has a strong track record of innovation and expansion, which could potentially increase demand for Binance Coin in the future. However, Binance Coin's value is closely tied to the performance of the Binance exchange, which could be a risk factor. Cardano is a third-generation cryptocurrency that aims to address some of the scalability and security issues faced by earlier cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It uses a proof-of-stake (PoS) consensus mechanism, which is more energy efficient than Bitcoin's proof-of-work (PoW) mechanism, and its development is guided by a scientific peer review process. One of the main advantages of Cardano is its focus on scalability and interoperability, which could potentially make it a more practical choice for real-world use cases than some other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Cardano's team is highly qualified and focused on long-term development, which could lead to a more stable and sustainable ecosystem. However, Cardano is still relatively young and untested, which could be a risk factor. Dogecoin is a meme-inspired cryptocurrency that has recently gained a large following thanks in part to endorsements from celebrities like Elon Musk. It operates on a decentralized network similar to Bitcoin and has a relatively large supply of coins. One of the main advantages of Dogecoin is its strong community and growing adoption, which could potentially lead to increased demand and value. Additionally, its lower price point could make it an accessible entry point for new cryptocurrency investors. However, Dogecoin's value is highly volatile and could be subject to significant swings. Disclaimer: I do not provide investment advice, and it's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently risky and subject to volatility. Cryptocurrency trading and possession might be illegal in your country of residence. So do understand investing in cryptocurrency can be a high-risk, high-reward venture. It's important to do your research, understand the market, and be prepared for volatility. Only invest what you can afford to lose and consider diversifying your portfolio. It's also important to be vigilant against scams and to use reputable exchanges and wallets to store your cryptocurrency. That's all for now. I hope you will like this informative video. Please do subscribe, like and share this channel. Bye.